Here's the thing. We've all got questions about money. How to make more of it, how to save it, how to spend it wisely. After all, there's no college class in personal finance. And we're busy too. Most of us are running at 90 miles per hour during the week and 120 miles per hour on the weekends. And having never really been taught about finances to begin with, we may not always end up with the right plans in place. That's where Liriano Wealth Advisory Group comes in. Our mission is to make you a world-class saver, help you adopt good habits as early as possible, and create a game plan around your personal finances. How do we help already successful people be even more successful with their personal finances? Well, the other guys might tell you to only focus on growing your assets and attaining a high rate of return. Or they'll push you to sign up for multiple insurance programs and various protection plans. But we know that the key is finding a perfect balance of both. Our representatives will work with you to help establish that symbiotic relationship between the investment side and the protection side. This balanced approach strives for collecting on the upside without worrying about the downside. See, we look at finances as one big picture. You've probably had to make financial decisions regarding insurance, mortgages, legal documents, or investments, and each of these decisions may have been great on their own. But very often, these decisions are not coordinated and can create inefficiencies that drain your wealth. We use techniques and tools to help you better understand how cash flows in and out of your world, and how your income and assets can be better connected. We like to stick to 4 golden rules. 1. A little caution goes a long way. A lot of what-ifs can happen over the course of life, but we've got your back. We'll help you put a plan in place that will help protect your money and your assets under almost any circumstances. 2. As your circumstances change, so should your investment options. That's why our flexible solutions are designed to help maximize efficiency, minimize taxes, and adapt to your situation along the way, no matter what. 3. We're in it for the long haul. If we can help you increase your savings rate, we believe that can result in far greater wealth down the line than relying on returns in the market. 4. Relationships make all the difference. There's no better feeling than making a genuine impact on our clients' financial lives and reflecting on the work we do together. So, let's chat. Why wait another day to create your financial future?